Hello, beautiful humans. Today, let's go over some simple ways to get inspired. We all feel uninspired from time to time, but the good news is that it's a very normal aspect of the creative process. It's something that everyone deals with. So when we're caught in a creative rut, let's try some of the following items to become inspired. Let's try changing our environment. Get out of the house and visit a different location. A new setting might inspire you by providing you with a fresh perspective on things. Learn something new. Experiment with information outside of your comfort zone to learn something new. Learn 10 words in a foreign language. Investigate 17th century European music, or pick up a star chart and learn about the cosmos. Try creating a vision board. Consider what you want out of life and begin visualizing it. Collect images and words that represent this existence and arrange them on a vision board. Why not get back to nature? Spend time outside, admiring nature's magnificent splendor. Hike through the woods, climb a mountain, or simply enjoy a picnic by the pond at your neighborhood park. Just remember, if there's ducks there, be sure and bring breadcrumbs for them. Visit your local bookstore. Bookstores are a great source of creative inspiration. Spend some time pursuing the shelves and allowing yourself to be inspired by the gorgeous photographs and intriguing thoughts. And why not try a new creative art form? Experiment with something new and step outside of your creative comfort zone. Try painting if you're a writer. Write a poem if you're a musician. And keep a notebook to jot things down, jotting down ideas as they occur to you. These ideas may not appear revolutionary at the moment, but they may serve as inspiration in the future. Learn about the history of your craft. Learn about the origins of your creative craft, the pioneers and greats, and how it has evolved over time. There's a wealth of inspiration to be discovered in the history of any skill. Let me just remind you, if you're not yet a part of my slow living community, subscribe now and give this a like so that YouTube can show this content to others. Now let's get back to this list. Why not research what others in your field are doing? Discover what others in your creative sector are up to. When you're stuck for ideas, a fast Google search may be a terrific source of inspiration. Listen to a new type of music. Look for music that is different from what you often listen to and give it a try. What about jazz, classical music, or hip-hop? Try meditating if you don't already do so. Spend some time sitting, being motionless, and breathing. Our hectic lives may leave us feeling frenzied, making it difficult to be motivated. You'll give your brain a chance to recharge by taking the time to meditate, or just spend some quiet time focusing on your breath and not thinking about anything in particular. And we know that we're all into social media, so maybe follow 10 people who inspire you on Twitter. We all have creative idols. Follow yours on Twitter and be inspired by their ideas every day. Give yourself a gift of time. Don't be in a hurry. Allow yourself a day to simply be and do whatever comes to mind. You could be startled by the moments when inspiration hits when you least expect it. Read inspiring blog posts. Visit your favorite bloggers' blogs and read an uplifting post. Nothing beats a few strong phrases to get your creative juices flowing. Go beyond your comfort zone. It's easy to become engrossed in a routine. Experiment with something new that takes you out of your comfort zone. Breaking up your regular routine will boost the flow of ideas and enhance motivation. Maybe take in a great film. A superb film has a profound effect on you and might make you ponder. Choose a terrific film and totally immerse yourself in it. Read an autobiography of someone you admire. Reading about someone you admire may be quite encouraging. Hearing about their trials and tribulations and how they've overcome might encourage you to do better in your own life. And you know those quotes that we always see on some of our Facebook pages or Instagram pages. Google them. Google creativity quotes online. Others' remarks may be powerful and inspiring. Google creativity quotes and choose 10 that inspire you. Keep them in your diary and refer to them anytime you need a pick-me-up. Journaling your thoughts may be a powerful release and a source of creative inspiration in the now and the future. Your diary is your particular place where you may be honest and free with your writings, allowing what is inside to show through. Ask someone what their greatest life lessons have been. Seeking the knowledge of others may be really enlightening. Ask someone you admire what the most important lessons that they have learned in their lives could be. You could just discover a nugget of gold in there. How about watching an inspiring TED Talk? There are a plethora of fascinating TED presentations, simply waiting to be viewed. From science to art, history to technology, there's a TED presentation to inspire you in whatever creative endeavor you pursue. Read some of the classics. There's a reason why they're called classics. Search for classic novels and choose one to read this week. Experiment with your materials without pressure. Sit with your materials, explore and create whatever comes to mind without any pressure to meet deadlines or achieve a certain result. Experimentation is a freeing process that may generate some fantastic ideas in whatever your craft may be. Ask your creative friends about their projects. Hearing about other people's artistic endeavors may be quite motivating. Inquire about what your creative pals have been up to and get inspired by their energy and ideas. Sometimes all you need to do to feel motivated is just get started. Doing generates inspiration, so gather your tools and go to work. I hope that some of these items can light a spark of inspiration in each of you. Until next time, be kind to yourself.